What's up, fam? I'm back with another video. What's up, y'all? It is Friday, and I'm getting ready to go to the comedy show. I got that little thing on my head because I just took a picture for Instagram, and then I realized that my ponytail kind of needed some more TLC, tender loving care, baby, because even though you got on a hat, you still got to make sure that you look nice and neat, okay? Okay, so I'm getting ready to go. It's my friend's birthday, Janae, one of my lifelong friends. Been friends with her since I was in middle school. And I have a rubber band in my hair, and I'm natural. I have a rubber band in my hair. I usually don't use rubber bands, but I couldn't find one of my scrunchies or one of my hair ties that I use, and I'm in a rush, so a rubber band it will be. But yeah, I'm natural, and I'm currently in between salon visits. So, and then I've been trying to give my hair a break because I had some braids and they really did a number on my hair. So I've just been trying to, you've been seeing me in hats. I've been just trying to give my hair a break. So that's what we're doing today. I'm wearing this R13 hat again because I think it's just cute. I think it's sporty. I think it's cute. I'm wearing this jacket. I got this jacket from TJ Maxx. And I'm wearing my Louis Vuitton purse. I have on my Louis Vuitton purse, and I have to tell y'all the story behind this bag. I got this bag for a steal. I am really frugal too. I'm really frugal. Like, I don't like to pay full price for anything. So we're gonna go through sometimes some stories about, or I'm gonna give you guys some tips on how to get some bags for cheap, some luxury handbags for cheap. So yeah, so I am dressed, so I'm gonna step back so you guys can see the full look. Let me see if I could tilt the camera a little bit. Just a little. Okay. So yeah, I'm wearing this Ghani skirt. I got this skirt from, I think, Farfetch when they had a sale. I got this jacket from TJ Maxx. I got these boots are Jessica Simpson. I think I got them from DSW. Bag Louis Vuitton, earrings Louis Vuitton. I got these ear cuffs from Shein on. I got these. I got this one from Shein too. I think that's the look. I think that's everything. So yeah. So we're on our way to the comedy show. I think it's Finesse and Tisha Campbell, which I didn't know that Tisha Campbell was a comedian, but we're gonna find out tonight. And I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. So yeah, let's ride, let's ride, let's ride, let's ride. That was kind of cheesy, but here we are. All right, I'll see you guys in a minute.
Can't even call you. Wait a minute. First of all,
That's the birthday girl.
Did I sign an NDA?
But in all fairness,
Hey, girl. Hey.
all fairness, I love my man. And I accept him and all his differences. I don't even mind being a single parent. It's the single part I got a problem with. Oh, y'all, I'm so bad at this shit here. Now let me break it down for y'all. Like, okay. I was committed to a 27-year marriage. That's almost 30 years. And not only that, I went from boyfriend, marriage. Y'all wanna see my body count? Check this dumb shit out. Look at this. Look at this dumbass number. That should have been fucking way more than that.
You ain't know.
And not only that, like, I really
Brittany.
Yup. like that. Well, I know mine got it, so. It's yours. I love you all. You've only missed 5 pictures.
It's me with the birthday girl.
Knock on 40 store.
Not quite.
Yeah.
We got 2 more years.
Knocking.
A few more years.
2 inches away.
Yep. Y'all, it's a mess out here. And she got her legs out. She got her steppers on. She got her Mary J. Blige on. She got her... That's funny because I wore these.
What's up, y'all? So it is the next day after the comedy show, and we had a great time. Tisha Campbell was kind of funny, but she really wasn't that funny. The guy Finesse Mitchell, he was really funny. He had me dying laughing. Yeah, he was funny. He was funny. So yeah, we had a good time. It was really snowy out. Typical Cleveland winter evening. We had a good time. Janae has a whole weekend planned for her birthday, so we went there yesterday, and then today she's doing like a cake and sip. So we're gonna be making cake. She loves cake, so we're gonna be making cakes today. Making our own separate cakes today. So I'm trying to get my hair together. But before I do that, I want to unbox my Nikes that I got from The Real Real. Now, if you don't know about The Real Real, you should. It is a second-hand resale luxury website. So you can literally find everything on there, from like Balenciaga to like Coach. And there is like different condition levels. So it's like fair, good, excellent. So I have been wanting these Nikes, and they're the Sacai, the Nike Sacai collab. So I found them on there. I think they're like $112. So here it is, and I'm opening them now. Oh wow. They're in pretty good condition. Okay. I am pleased. Let's see if I can fit them. I think these are like retailing still for like, I seen them on StockX for over $200. I love that detail about them. I mean, they're practically new. I can fit them, and I'll show you guys them. But yeah, I like them. I mean, they're practically new. And I will be wearing these this summer. And they have like the Nike Sacai logo on the back. And the other one. See what the other one looks like. Yeah, I just need to probably just wipe them down, which I will do. I love the feature of the double tongue there. The Sacai brand is like a really avant-garde, pretty cool brand. It's another up-and-coming designer, and they did a collab with Nike, and I love it. And they have a few different color variations, of course. But I got the black ones because I feel these are the most practical. I'll get the most wear out of them. And they were maybe like $115, I think. Yeah, I'm satisfied. So yeah, I'll be styling those soon. But for now, the fabric is giving me probably like a spring Nike type shoe. So you won't see these for a while because I live in Cleveland. But yeah. So yeah, now I'm going to just talk some more and start braiding my hair. I want to braid my hair today because I'm going for like a sporty look. So I'm going to just like braid my hair to the back. Braid my hair to the back. Actually, I should probably start in the middle. I told y'all yesterday that I was trying to give my hair a break. And that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to do like maybe like 5 or 6 braids to the back because I'm not wearing a hat today. I don't feel like wearing another hat. So that's what I'm going to do. Some braids. And then I'm going to do my little everyday makeup routine because I'm not going to put a lot of makeup on today. Like yesterday I had like a beat down face. I'm just going to wear like a tinted moisturizer today. And I'm going to wear a oh, I got dandruff so bad. I'm not going to wear a lash. I'm just going to wear a tinted moisturizer. And I'm going to wear a some lip gloss. That's it. Tinted moisturizer and some lip gloss. A little bit of blush. Call it a day. But yeah, those shoes are really cute. I really like them. That lipstick that I wore was the Gwen Stefani lipstick yesterday. And I really liked it. But the packaging, like the reviews, I saw some review. Here I go with this rubber band again. I saw some reviews that said that the packaging was not, that the packaging was pretty flimsy, and the packaging was definitely pretty flimsy. Like I opened up the package to, I opened it up to put it on, and the lipstick like just literally fell out of it. So yeah, if you end up purchasing that lip gloss, just be aware that that's gonna happen. I think I might do, yeah, I think it's gonna end up being 5 braids. And I am not trying to perfect the braids. It's just gonna be like a messy hairstyle. It's like a little messy hairstyle. Yep. It's like a little messy braid style. Like I am trying to get the part straight, but I'm not trying to get the part straight, if that makes sense. Like, I'm trying, but if they're not straight, it's not that big of a deal. Like, I'm literally gonna wear this hairstyle probably just today, and then maybe tomorrow for church, and then I'm gonna take them out maybe after church tomorrow. I just don't feel like keep wearing a hat, so I'm just over the hat. So I just want to see my face again. And I have a lot of new growth. It's definitely time to get my hair done. I'll probably get it done sometime next week. It's been a while at this point. I cannot see nothing in the back, so hopefully this is going well. I might have to do this off camera. Yeah. Okay, I'm back. My new growth was literally so thick in the center too. I had to have my husband help me part. And this is not like a neat look that I'm going for. I think that I might just wear the braids crinkly for church tomorrow. I mean, I might just take the braids out and wear my hair crinkly for church tomorrow. But for now, you see all the dandruff. But for now, I'm just gonna braid it. This is not meant to be like neat, clean looking style. Like, I'm literally going for like messy braid look. This is the look I'm going for. Because I want to give my hair a rest. Let my hair breathe a little bit. Even from the hats. So, yeah. And, yeah, I'm gonna wear a casual look today. It's gonna be cute, y'all see. I know y'all probably thinking like, what is she doing? But it's gonna come together. And then I'm gonna put my earrings in. I'm gonna fix my edges. And we're gonna be out the door. We are going to be out the door. I know exactly what I'm wearing. I'm just casual today. I don't know what anybody else is wearing, but I feel like we're making cake. I don't want to get cake flour. I don't want to get anything all over my good clothes, so I'm just wearing something casual. I'm wearing something casual today. Okay, so this is the last braid. Trying to like style that like that. Oop. See my little wrapping paper over here, y'all. I'm just doing some edge control right here. And I'm using this this lock and braid gel. I got this from the hair store. It's pretty good so far. My first time getting it. My son has locks, so, and I tried retwisting his hair for the first time, and his locks are pretty long. I tried retwisting his hair for the first time, so I used that. I Googled and I found that was a good product to twist locks with. So that's what I'm using to do these braids with, because I actually am not mad at the hold. And then I'm gonna do me some little curly pieces. And so these gonna be like some quick little Cleo braids. They're not neat. They're not meant to be neat. I'm just going for like a messy look. If you ever seen these braids, like some messy looking braids before, it's normally like the look. Yeah, they came out cute so far. I like them. I mean, I know what look I'm going for, so that's why I'm saying I like them. I'm not sure if y'all know, but I'm just going like for a messy like braid look. And then I'm gonna like tie them down in the back. I'm gonna put my scarf on, get my edges real nice and neat. Oh God, Noel was on his way up here. Stinky is on his way. He's like, I smell somebody doing something. And when you're not doing nothing, he don't care. But when you start doing stuff, it's just like, he be like, oh, somebody doing something. Let me go interrupt them. I smell productivity. It's giving model off duty. So quick, so quick. You do your face, you do this style, you beat your face down, you gonna eat. You gonna eat the girls up. You gonna eat them up. You gonna yum eat them up. And I will show y'all the back. Come on. Yep, I'm about to get in the shower. I'm gonna put my little scarf on. And then I'm gonna do my everyday makeup look. And then that's gonna be the look. I'm gonna put some cute earrings on. And then I'll probably take this down for church tomorrow. And then it'll just be a crinkly look. Okay, I'll be back when I get finished showering, and I'll come back and do my makeup. What's up, y'all? I'm back. So I tied my little hair up. I gotta do my little, I'm gonna flat iron my edges. And now I'm about to do my quick. I'm gonna take these bangles off because they just a click clacking, click clacking, click clacking, click clacking. I'm gonna just do a quick everyday beat, nothing like I did yesterday. Something quick. Moisturize my face because I have dry skin and my skin just gets really dry. So I just like to, I suggest even if you don't have dry skin, it's just always moisturize before you put makeup on. So, and that's what I do. So yeah, I'm gonna put this foundation on again, but it's gonna be a light layer of it. Like I said, I'm just doing it every day. A quick everyday beat. Nothing big. Just on with it. I usually spray that quickly. It's also time for me to wash my brushes and my sponges. And I didn't do my brows first this time because I'm not gonna do too much, but I am gonna do enough. Put on some mascara. Put on a little bit of blush. And some lip gloss. Yep. And that is going to be the look. Got my little e.l.f. brow pencil here. This is not a full look, and my intent is for it to just be natural looking face. Yep, like so. And my girl tablet to be like so, like that, like so, like that. Yep, so, yep. Just like that, and then I'm gonna go back up in there and define that, not using no concealer. I'm gonna use some mascara. No lashes today, just mascara. No lashes. About to worry about this too much. Plug my flat irons up. And then I think I should do some blush. This is the everyday blush that I use from Sephora. It's called Hey Jealousy or something. Just a little bit. Give my face some color again. Mascara. Eyeliner. Eyeliner, just a little bit. Just a little bit. And then I'm wearing my Old Faithful Ami Cole lip gloss that I love. If you don't get nothing else from this, y'all gotta try this lip gloss. Like, it's just so, like, if you like a thick, it's just so good. It lasts. I just really love this lip gloss. All right, now let's see how the braids came out. See? See, y'all? You don't never gotta do too much. You just gotta do enough. You don't gotta do too much. Girls that get it, get it. The girls that get it, get it. Okay, now let me fix this in the back, and then I'm gonna show y'all what I'm wearing, and then I gotta run. I'm just gonna put this up like this. I was on the phone with my friend. She told me I should lay some edges down, but I don't like edges no more. Like, I don't like them. I really don't like them. I want to put some more. Do I need to put on a lash? What y'all think? Let me know in the comments if I should have put on a lash. I'm gonna put on some more mascara. I really don't want to put on no lashes because I don't know about y'all, but I have not perfected the skill of putting on a lash yet. And it just takes too long. Like, I start like fiddling with the lash, and that's why I am not committing to putting my to recording myself while putting on lashes yet. I just can't do it. And I probably never will because I'm just not there yet. And putting on the lashes just takes so long. So yeah, that's the look. I'm gonna put on my little everyday jewelry, put on my little earrings, and then I'll come back and show y'all the look. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. Here's the finished look, the braids, and the little light, you know, the light beat. So I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see it. Let me know in the comments what you think. It wasn't meant to be neat. So yeah, and then let me show y'all the outfit of the day, what I'm wearing today. I'm gonna step back. So I got this cropped sweatshirt on, it's cropped. I got leggings on. I have some Nikes on with some thick Nike socks. Oh, you see them? Got my favorite Nikes on. And then I'm going to wear this scarf. I'm gonna wear my little leopard coat. My bangles is just a click clacking. Sorry, y'all. Wear this coat. And then I got this bag. So yeah, my J.W. Anderson bag. So yeah, I'm ready to go. I'm just running out. I'm going to my friend's Cake and Sip. And that is the look. Bye, y'all. The video getting taken down, and there was some music playing at Janae's Cake and Sip, so I'm just going to talk through. So as you can see, we're like baking the cakes, putting the ingredients in the cakes, we're enjoying ourselves, we're listening to music, we're singing, we're dancing, we're just having really good fellowship. I love my girls. Like I said, these are my friends since I was in grade school. We had such a great time. We had some good food. And yeah, we had a good time. So I hope you are enjoying this part of the video. I hope you're getting some party ideas. If you're in Cleveland, this Jazzy Cakes place is located in the Tremont area, and it was really, really good. So yeah, I highly recommend her. But yeah, let's get back to it.
jacket though?
Sweater from my closet. I don't know.
Okay, girl.
The pants is from the closet too.
Okay, all right. All right. Oh, the shoes fire. Them Uggs fire though. Okay.
And the keys is going to my car.
All right, I see it. I see it. Who's next? Who's next?
Earrings is from the hair store.
Okay, girl.
The jacket is from Shein.
Yes, we love.
The
Oh,
color from
Shein though. But okay. Okay.
The pants are from Fashion Nova.
Okay.
The boots are from the Zara sale.
Okay.
Sale.
Those boots fire though. Boots hitting.
And
Boots hitting.
necklace from Tiffany.
Okay. Necklace from
The
Tiffany.
hat is from Tarjay.
Okay. Hat hitting. Eat down. Okay. Okay. Who's next? Who's next?
Burger pants rainbow.
Okay.
Fashion Nova.
Okay. Fashion Nova.
Fashion Nova.
Okay.
It looks like a Kurt Geiger, but it's Shein.
Oh shit! What the? Oh wait, this is really cute though. Okay. Okay. Hey, down. All right. Who's next? Who's next?
Take my real picture.
Who's next? Okay. OOTD.
What do you need?
OOTD.
These are Timberland boots. These
Okay, Tim.
camos are from Fashion Nova.
Okay, camo pants.
Fashion Nova white shirt. Fashion Nova hoodie.
We love the hoodie, the crop hoodie. Love the hat.
Hat and this is actually like a
Okay. Period.
both from Fashion Nova. Betsy Johnson, Juicy Couture, Pandora, Apple,
Period.
Case,
Period.
Amazon.
Okay. Period. All right.
Wait, let me take my
Okay, who's next? Who's next?
Here we go.
Okay, OOTD. Oh, let me get the. Okay, all right, let me get my coat
All
from you.
right. This vest, this puffer vest is from
You want to line up a little bit, boo?
The outfit is from Nike. Boots, Uggs.
Okay,
Michael Kors watch.
love the scarf.
Yankees hat. Scarf. It was gifted to me. I don't
Oh, I love the scarf. Love the scarf. Cute. Yes, monochromatic look.
Ain't lost.
Yes. Okay.
From Mark.
Oh, love the bag. Okay, girl. Eat down.
Earrings is from Amazon.
Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Okay, girl. All right, Jace. Okay, I see you. All right, chocolate drop. I see you. Girl, let's go. OOTD.
Jacket from TJ Maxx. Nike.
Okay.
Nike.
Period.
Nike.
Period.
Oh, I forgot my booty socks. Party.
Okay, where's this jacket from?
TJ Maxx. I said that first.
Period.
You know, a little Pandora here.
I see you.
Here.
I see you. I
Here.
see you. Where the body from though?
That was home, bro.
Hey y'all, so I just got home from the cake and said we had such a good time. Like we had such a good time. And those are my friends for like over maybe like 15 years or so. Like I've known them since I was in grade school. So yeah, those are my friends. We've been friends forever and we like have a good time together, and I hope that Janae enjoyed her birthday because I definitely enjoyed it. You know, sometimes you just don't get a chance to get out. Like I'm very much so a homebody. I don't really get a chance to get out often. I'm always at home with my kids, with my family, and sometimes you just need to have the girl time to get out. Sometimes you just need just some time to let your hair down, you know. I think everybody deserves that. And that's very much so what we did today. We had some conversation, we ate some food, we enjoyed ourselves. So yeah, I'm gonna go in the house now, and I have some cleaning to do. I have some organizing to do, so I'm gonna get to that. My son keeps calling me because he had an Amazon package that he was waiting on, and he's wondering where it is. Keeps calling me. So we're gonna go. I'm gonna go in and resolve that with him, figure out where that is, check my email. Yeah, and then I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure that you are following me on my IG page. I'm also on TikTok, but I haven't gotten around to posting a TikTok, but I am on TikTok, and it's Mrs. Aspiring J, just the letter J. But yeah, make sure you guys are following me. I'm getting used to this, as you can see, and it's fun. So yeah, we're having fun. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.